Presenting the Shark Ion Flex 2X. The freestanding, cord-free vacuum that can live anywhere because it has 2 rechargeable batteries. That means you can always be charging, even while you're cleaning, with Duo Clean, Multi-Flex, and powerful suction. So you can go and go and go again. Welcome to hassle-free runtime with Shark.
New from Hoover is Discovery, the ultimate cordless vacuum cleaner that's got an incredible performance. This is going to allow you to clean throughout your home for up to 35 minutes without the fuss of cables. Now, the great thing about Discovery is the fact that it has a dedicated electrical motor. Now, this is used to drive the separation unit inside of the dust chamber to spin at a high speed. Doing so, this creates an additional airflow that pushes all of the dirt, all of the debris and the hair down to the bottom of the bin. This incredible dust separation then means that it's really easy to clean the bin, and you can do so very quickly and very hygienically thanks to the one-touch bin release system. It's lightweight, it weighs just 2.5 kilograms and it's ultra maneuverable thanks to the easy driving system. The pivoting floor nozzle makes it really easy to navigate around the furniture, whilst a low-profile foot can easily slide underneath the sofa and other parts of your furniture, and the LED lights clearly illuminate any dark area. If you're wanting to reach up to higher areas to clean, such as the ceiling, you just need to pop those onto the end of the large pole. Now, you're able to use all of those tools on the end of the pole or on the handheld, and when not in use, the tool and the cleaner can be stored away on the handy wall mount.